maximize your earning potential. The information shown in this video will be very helpful for you in receiving more orders and better earnings in your day-to-day operations. Today we will talk about these following topics. Stay near the hotspot for more orders. Stay logged in during peak hours. Accept all assigned orders. Accept all multi-orders. Understand the rate cards and deposit excess cash of cash on delivery orders. Come, let's discuss all these tips one by one. First tip is to stay near the hotspots for more orders in your area after logging in the partner app. Hotspot areas are near those restaurants where possibility of incoming orders is more in the partner app. You will find more than one hotspot in the area, and these hotspots keeps getting updated from time to time. That is why we advise our delivery partners to reach the hotspots in your area after each order delivery and stand a chance to receive maximum orders. Next tip is to maximize your earning potential is to stay logged in during peak hours on each day. Lunch and dinner time is known as peak hours, and during this time you will receive maximum orders. You should always ensure that you should take your breaks in non-peak hours and log in during lunch and dinner peak hours. This time you will receive maximum orders. Ensure that you should take your breaks in non-peak hours and log in during lunch and dinner peak hours so that maximum orders. On weekends, which is Friday, Saturday and Sunday, during lunch and dinner time, maximum orders are assigned. So you must log in during these days and you can take your week off during the weekdays. Next tip is accept all the orders assigned to you and never deny or cancel any order under any circumstances. It is very important for both of us to accept all the orders and deliver them too. If any order is cancelled, the customer experience is affected. If any delivery partner denies or cancels the order, then they will be penalized in their payout and will also lose the milestone amount. Always remember that after you log in the partner app, it is our responsibility to accept all the orders, and this will help you in earning more payout. Next tip is multi-orders. Delivery partners can also be assigned 2 orders in one single trip, which means that in the partner app you will be assigned 2 orders, and you should accept these orders and pick up both the orders from the restaurant in one single trip. After the order is picked up, both the orders needs to be delivered to 2 different customers who live in the same area of delivery. In a multi-order, you can easily earn 3 touch points in a single trip, and hence, basis these extra touch points, more amount will be calculated in your payout. Always remember, you should never reject these orders. Next tip is, before logging into partner app, you should carefully read all the details on the rate card mentioned in the rate card feature of the partner app. If you want to work for only few hours a day or work only during the weekends, for this very purpose, we have created special rate cards for part-timers. With this, you can earn more incentive by working for few hours in a day or on weekends only. Zomato team has sent rate cards through SMS on your mobile phone. With this, you will find the details of the full-time and part-time rate cards available in your city. For example, if in a week you log in for more than 50 hours, then you are eligible to earn more payout and you should work as a full-timer. Please carefully read and understand both these rate cards, and if you would like to work as a part-timer delivery partner with Zomato, then contact the team on the phone number mentioned in the SMS and get this updated. You can also find the details of the target pay and other milestone in the rate card section itself. Always deliver long distance order as you are paid extra on it. Never reject the long distance orders. There will be a penalty applied on cancelling long distance orders in your payout. We advise you to visit the rate card section in your partner app and check for special incentives in your area and avail the benefits. Today's last tip is to maintain the cash limit. You can also find the details of the credit limit and the available cash in the account in the deposit section of the partner app. Deposit the cash in the Zomato account that you have collected on cash on delivery orders while delivering previously. Your account will be blocked if you breach the credit limit, and no orders will be assigned to you any further. That is why it is very important for you to maintain the credit limit assigned to your account and deposit the excess cash before time. For depositing excess cash in the partner app, you can use UPI, debit card or net banking options. You can also deposit the collected cash in the nearby Airtel store. Make advance payments to increase your credit limit and to avoid the chances of getting your account blocked during peak hours. We hope that all these tips will be helpful to you in earning maximum payout with Zomato. Thank you for watching this video.